Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 72 Chevy Nova. I'd call it a custom because it's kind of got a built motor, got a aftermarket fiberglass hood, custom paint with the silver on the bottom and kind of orange on top. Pretty metallic-y. Can see a little striping in it. I think you can see that right there. Just happens a lot of time with metallics. So got a little bit of more on the hood than anything else. There's some imperfections in the paint, hard to see. You can see it does got some shine to it, but you can see some dirt or debris in it. A lot of sparkle in it. Maybe you can see that in the back. So just letting you know, just a amateur paint job. The silver is okay. It isn't really streaked or anything, just not a super shine to it. So you can see like right there where they got some. But got a B&M shifter in there, a Grant steering wheel, tack, aftermarket gauges, racing seat belts. So kind of like I said, a custom, got electric fan switch in it and stuff, but really strong motor in it. That's would be the American racing wheels with tires, two different sizes, smaller in the front. But motor is the strong point in this car. Really strong, good sounding motor. So take a listen to my running video and you'll see that. And it drives really well. So not a lot of scratches or dings, just more imperfections in the paint job. It just got done by a guy out in western Nebraska is where I got it from. So driver quality car. Try to show you, this isn't the perfect fit here. So, but all this can be taken care of real easily with if you don't care, you just drive it the way it is, which is still a good looking car from 10 feet. Just I'm trying to show you all the imperfections so you know what you're buying. We're very good about that. We don't want you to buy anything that you don't want. So call me with any questions. I can get you more pictures, as good as close-ups as I can on this paint, but just it's not a show car. 605-695-7391.